So how to solve it? Square root of 32, as I told you, prime factorization is the key. Why? Because prime numbers are actually capable of bringing any non-prime numbers into their form. Okay, so let's see how to prime factorize 32. I think you already know how to prime factorize. I can just branch out any two numbers that multiplies to give me 32. I can think of something like 8 into 4. Now you know 8 and 4 are still not prime numbers. Yeah, they're not prime numbers. So we divide them further until we get all primes. So 8 can be factorized further as 4 into 2. And 4 can be factorized as 2 into 2. This 4, which is again not a prime number, can be multiplied or can be factorized as 2 times 2. So if you look, you got how many 2's? A total of 5 2's. So I can write square root of 32 as, so when you're writing inside a square root, now you want to write it in form of squares, okay? Because I got I got 5 2's, I'm gonna write the first two 2's as squared, the last two 2's as another 2 squared, and I see that there is one more 2 remaining, so there is a lone 2 as well. So the best part about is, the reason why I told you to write in squares is because square and roots are opposites. They are reciprocals, yeah? They cancel out each other. So square and root cancels out, giving you 2 of the numbers outside the root. 2 times 2, 4. And inside the root you still have root 2. I mean, there is a 2 inside the root, so the number becomes 4 root 2. Similarly, let's try for 98. So if I'll prime factorize 98, I know 98 is even. So as soon as you see an even number and you don't know that number comes or it appears in which table, always start with prime number. The first number you can start is always 2. 2 times how much is 98? 2 times, 2 times 40 would be 80, and another 18 means 9. So 2 times 40 plus 9, 49 gives me 98. Alright, and now you see 49 is something I can prime factorize. I know 49 is a square number. 49 is the square of 7. So 7 times 7 is 49. So if I have to think about square root of 98, all I'm doing is writing 98 as square of 7 because I got 2 7's while prime factorizing, and another 2. Again I got a lone 2. Square and root cancels out, giving you 7 out of the root because it becomes free. Whereas there is still a 2 which is inside the root. There is still a 2 which is inside the root. And you found out that square root of 98 is nothing but 7 root 2. So you got the 2 simple ways to represent the given numbers in the question, 4 root 2 and 7 root 2. Question tells you to add. So what we are doing is we are simply adding the same 2 values we got, adding upon them 7 plus 4. So how to treat them? It's very simple. It's just like treating an algebra question, 4a plus 7a. That is the meaning of solving for 4 root 2 plus 7 root 2. Yeah? 7 plus 4 is 11, so answer is 11 root 2. That is how we simplify questions based on Surds. That is so simple.